Hi everyone, Vicente here. So really excited to show you this new feature that we just released this week. And yeah, so let's get started. So we're here in AI Drive, and I got this, this file. It's a book, it's a famous book, The Great Gatsby. It's a pretty long book, 137 pages. And let's say that, we want to go and get a summary of this book. So let's go do that. But before, what you need to do is make sure you have our Chrome extension. So if you can just go here to the Chrome Web Store, chromewebstore.google.com. Our Chrome extension is there. You can download it. Once you download, make sure that you go and you pin the extension so that this little red icon shows up there. So assuming you have that done, so we're really kind of good to go. And I'm going to go into our GPT here. And you see the extension opens, like when you press this little icon, the extension opens the drive right on the side, very convenient. So we're gonna go here and say copy to ChatGPT. I'm gonna get this link. I'm gonna say summarize this book with a nice title and bullet points, something like that. And we fire it off. And as it's doing its magic, for some of you that already know our extension, you'll notice that we have this new button, Save GPT to Chat, right? Or Save GPT Chat. Well, keep that in mind as we're going to go and use this feature. So the GPT is here and is doing the summarization. So let's see, it's just kind of like going. It's doing the first 29 pages out of 137. And we're not going to do the whole thing today here. But as you may know, because we have introduced that this week as well, we can do longer summaries now, right? Or summaries for longer documents. So you can just come here and say continue, and we'll go and we'll continue that summary from where it stopped, right? So that's great. And we'll just do a little bit of that just for the sake of this demo here. So continue from page 30, right? So that looks great. And I'm gonna get a couple of these points here. We don't need to do everything. I'm gonna stop it here. But you can assume that you could just keep going and do the summary of the whole thing. And here we are. Okay, so this looks good for now. And I'm just gonna say, consolidate this in one summary with a nice title and all bullet points. No other text. Yeah. So let's see what it does. And so it's going and say, okay. So it's going, unveiling the enigma inside the world of J. Gatsby. Okay, that's fine. And it's doing the summaries, consolidating the two answers that we wanted, right? And I'm just gonna let it do that so that we have a nice summary of the beginning of the book. And there you go. So it's done. So now we're going to go here and click Save GPT Chat, right? And then you have the text that's here from the last, answer, which is like that summary that we wanted, and it's right here ready to go. And you can just go and make some little edits, and would be nice. I can even say, okay, I want this in a kind of a heading 2, so it's bigger. So any kinds of edits, and bear with us because this is a very early feature. And so there will be, a few glitches here and there, but we are working hard to make sure that this is a great experience for you, but you can already do some work with it. So give it a try. One other thing is that you can actually click full chat, and what it does, and it's like, it's going to pull everything from the beginning of this chat, like all the way to here, right? So you can have these two options, just the last, answer in question or the full chat. So I'm just gonna do this one here and delete, and again do this guy, make it a heading, and then get rid of this, and then we go and we save, and it's gonna save in the folder. You can change the folder, but it saves in the folder that you're at. And yep, and then I'm just gonna go click here. You have this new PDF, and then here is our little summary. So yeah, so this is a great way for you to bring content from DigGPT into AI Drive as you are doing work with the AI there. One thing that I wanted to show as well, and I'm just gonna go here to this other GPT, and you can actually do this even from GPTs that are not, the AI PDF GPT. You can do this even from ChatGPT 4, which is kind of like the standard one. So I'll go here, and again, I'm going to go to that folder and just say, and you can see here that, you know, our summary that we just did is there. And I can just say, create a haiku about horses, and it's going to do that. And here I'm not even on the AI PDF GPT, but you know, it also works. So you can just come here and save, and then you have here, you can just save this little haiku here, and it's going to go on and go to the drive. So yeah, so now even with the ChatGPT 4 or all the other GPTs, you can save the content into the drive, and then you can use that PDF with the AI PDF GPT later. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Give us a good rating on the GPT store as well as on the Chrome store. Really appreciate that, and let us know what you think about these features. Thank you.